Are you a beginner guitarist who dreams of playing jazz like a virtuoso? Do you find yourself captivated by the smooth and intricate melodies that jazz guitarists effortlessly produce? If so, you're not alone. Many aspiring guitarists yearn to master this genre but often feel overwhelmed by its complexity. Fear not, for we have devised a comprehensive plan to help you harness the power of jazz guitar in just 5 lessons. Lesson 1. Mastering basic chords and scales. Every journey begins with a single step, and for aspiring jazz guitarists, that first step involves mastering basic chords and scales. Start by familiarizing yourself with common chord shapes such as major 7th, dominant 7th, minor 7th, and diminished chords. These forms serve as the foundation for countless jazz compositions. Next, delve into scales that are widely used in jazz improvisation. The most essential scale is the major scale. Learn it inside out. Additionally, explore modes like Dorian and Mixolydian, which add color and depth to your playing. Lesson 2. Understanding jazz rhythms. Jazz music is renowned for its complex rhythmic patterns that can be challenging even for seasoned musicians. However, understanding these rhythms is crucial if you want to become fluent in jazz guitar playing. Start by practicing swing rhythm, an integral part of traditional jazz styles. Swing rhythm involves emphasizing off beats while maintaining a steady pulse. This technique adds energy and groove to your playing. Additionally, experiment with syncopation, intentionally accentuating unexpected beats or placing notes between beats, which gives your solos an unpredictable yet captivating quality. Lesson 3. Exploring advanced techniques. Now it's time to take your skills up a notch by exploring advanced techniques commonly used in jazz guitar playing. One such technique is chord melody, combining chords with melody lines to create a solo guitar arrangement. This technique allows you to play both the harmony and melody of a song simultaneously, giving your playing a rich and full sound. Another technique worth mastering is arpeggios. Arpeggios are broken chords played one note at a time, creating fluid lines that outline the underlying chord progressions. Practice different arpeggio shapes across various chord progressions to enhance your improvisation skills. Lesson 4. Developing your improvisational skills. Improvisation lies at the heart of jazz music, allowing musicians to express their individuality and creativity in real-time performances. To develop your improvisational skills on the guitar, start by learning licks, short melodic phrases often repeated throughout jazz solos. Transcribe solos from renowned jazz guitarists such as Wes Montgomery or Joe Pass. Analyze their phrasing, note choices, and rhythmic variations to gain insight into their unique styles. Additionally, practice playing over different chord progressions using scales and arpeggios learned in previous lessons. Experiment with chromatic passing tones and enclosures to add tension and release within your improvised lines. Lesson 5. Putting it all together. In this final lesson, it's time to bring everything together and showcase your newfound mastery of jazz guitar playing. Find opportunities to jam with other musicians or join local jam sessions where you can put your skills into practice alongside experienced players. Record yourself regularly. This will allow you to listen back objectively and identify areas for improvement. Embrace constructive criticism as it will help refine your technique further. Remember that becoming a virtuoso takes time and dedication. Don't get discouraged if progress feels slow at times. Stay patient but persistent in honing your craft. The rewards will be well worth it. Conclusion. By following these 5 comprehensive lessons designed specifically for aspiring jazz guitarists, you can transform yourself from a beginner into a virtuoso player. Mastering basic chords and scales, understanding jazz rhythms, exploring advanced techniques, developing improvisational skills, and putting it all together will equip you with the necessary tools to excel in the world of jazz guitar. So pick up your guitar, embrace the journey ahead, and let the power of jazz music flow through your fingertips.